What's going on, guys? Fire Llama back with another tech / unboxing video. So today I basically purchased this HDMI USB video capture card, and I know it looks very shady, and you are right, which I thought at first, but when you looked at the reviews they said it's a bang for your buck, so I decided to test it out. And I will link this one in the description, and for price, this one's only $13 compared to the ones that are literally the same thing, but they charge 25 to 30. And yeah, let's see if this thing works. So in the box, we basically got an instruction booklet, which you don't think we'll be needing, and the actual capture card itself. That's basically all we have here. The capture card and the instructions. So let's take a look of this product on Amazon. Here it is. It's called the Athermal Video Capture Card, and right now it's currently unavailable, but the price is $14. Here it is, putting the box and the instructions aside. This capture card on the outside looks fairly normal, like on the pictures, but the material actually is a metal, not some cheap plastic, which I thought it would be, but turns out it's pretty high quality. And the output USB and the input for the HDMI. So basically that's all this capture card is. Made in China and some info there, and yeah. Next, let's get on to testing this. So guys, basically I'm going to be doing a whole demonstration on this capture card if this thing does work. And I'll make like a good video explaining everything, what you need to record on a Switch for the cheapest way possible. But for now, I'm just going to show you how it works. So we have the capture card right here. Our device we're going to be using to record is a MacBook. And we have our capture card. And in order for this capture card to work, we need the adapter to put this into the MacBook and plug it in here, which I have one right here. And then we need our Switch, which I have my Switch right here. Here's my daily Switch here. And yeah, those are all the materials. Let's get it set up. First, we're going to be starting off by putting the adapter into the Mac's USB-C. So as you can see right here, you slide it right into the USB-C, just like that. Next up, we are going to be taking the USB capture card and plugging it into the adapter spot right here. Slides in really easily. Next, we got my Switch here, which I have the HDMI cable right here ready to go. You just take it, plug it into the capture card, just like that. And once you got that plugged in, that will be the setup that you need. And again, if you don't have a MacBook and you have a Dell, that would actually be a lot easier because you don't need this adapter right here and you can make it work. So let's get on to seeing on the computer itself. So here we are. I am going to be moving into a screen recording perspective. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we're into my MacBook here. And since this is a MacBook, we will be going to QuickTime Player, which is the easiest option. And don't worry guys, I will make a full detailed video and list everything you need to make this possible in the cheapest way, with keeping in mind with Dell computers and any other types of computers. But for this demonstration, we will be doing Mac. So all you want to do is go to New Movie Recording, and then you hit this right here. As you can see, the USB camera, you hit that right there, and the USB digital, and as you can see, my Switch is right there. And you can basically use this as a way to play on your laptop and record. So yeah, here is my Switch. And yeah, that's basically how this capture card works. It actually does work, and it's only $13. So stay tuned, and you will see another in-detailed video for how all this works. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's the capture card. I will link it in the description. And once my detailed video on how to use this capture card and the cheapest setup to record on your Switch comes out, I will link it in the same video. So see you guys next time in another video. Bye.